everybody, Danny here. Well, we're off on a new project. Let's head on over to easel and put some sky in. I'll meet you there. And here we go. I have my trusty Isabey pointed oval wash brush. We're going to throw in something like that. And we're going to begin the work on our cloudy sky. We're just tapping like this, see? We're leaving light areas, dark areas. Okay. Just like that. And now, I'm going to take paint off of the brush, and I've just got a damp brush. Push in through here and let it activate and move the paint around so that we have this marvelous sky sitting here just like this. We want it to be pretty doggone dramatic, and I think that we are accomplishing that fact, just like that. Now I can take some of the darker stuff and I can just hit some dark like that. Okay, we'll just let the dark do its thing in the sky. And all of a sudden we got clouds. Boy, do we have clouds. And it's gonna just paint itself and leave me out of the equation. I can come in here with some tissue and I can just touch in a few areas like that, see? I can just touch a few areas, lift some, move it around, just like that. And we'll call that sky done, okay? Be with me and dryer tomorrow, and we'll start doing some work on this water back here and a little bit of land. Then we'll start working on these foreground trees, okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, comment, and let me know how we're doing. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We got us some sky. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working on some far background, okay? And in the meantime, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you and you and you and all the rest of you.